Today we are at glorious Bedford Autodrome. Perfect temperature for it. We are out here with 8 of our beloved clients. Time to get some laps in.
Where's the Porsche?
Well, since we fitted the Akrapovic, the silent tips that came with the car that fit the stock system don't fit the Akrapovic. So the option was to bring that here and fail noise test and not be allowed on, or bring the 1M that overheated recently. It was fine all the way till Bedford, and then I put the air on recirculating in the cabin and it came on warning overheating again. So I've turned that off and now it's fine again. So that remains a bit of a mystery. All being well, I think she'll be grand.
Let's go interview our resident driver, Akash. So,
How are we doing, guys?
Akash has moved from a 992 GTS, stunning thing, to a GT3, and then has turned up here with his new acquisition. Do you want to talk us through it?
Yeah, well, this is my dedicated track car, Porsche Cayman S. Just bought it, first time proper driving it, to be honest. Looking forward to getting this out on the track and seeing what it can do and see how it handles and compares to the GT3. Well, can't wait. Absolutely buzzing for it.
Nothing says like getting used to a car like track. So I've been looking up and down the pit, what's going to be the competitors out today. There's Radicals, there's GT3 RSs. That must be touching 3 ton. I cannot wait to chase that thing down.
Go stick it on down, go on.
Come on, tell us about your dedicated track car.
Fully blown dedicated track day. Check this carbon out. Carbon, look at that.
Lightweight?
Lightweight, massage, air cooled.
You got the massage seats on.
Like we're gonna come in and we're gonna go for pulse. Okay, we go. Where we go? Yeah. Oh no, I'm on stretch because I'm gonna be stretching you down the streets.
I've also got my massage seats on. Come check. So oh, it's locked itself. So the car actually hit some speed for once and the front grille trim came off. So it exited the group chat. So I've got to go put it back on now. Actually a mechanic. Right, pit crew, done. We're back.
Yeah, we were about to go and do some laps in the 1M, weren't we? Which was absolutely amazing today. And sadly, an E46 M3 pirouetted onto the grass and moved the tyre barrier at the pit exit, so they've ended the day. But we're in one piece, apart from Akash, who has a lot of steam coming out the back of his Cayman. But yeah, TBC on that one. But yeah, fantastic day with clients, friends, and looking forward to the next one already, which I think is July 27th. So yeah, happy days.
Cool. What's the purpose of the track days as well?
Oh well, it's to bring together clients, friends, have a good time, share the experience. And now we're off with some food and beer down the road to celebrate or commiserate. You know, see how bad his Cayman is.